Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are gonna see how to recover deleted photos on Samsung phones without apps. So to do that, let's head over to the gallery. Suppose you have deleted a picture, so how can you just recover it? You just have to head over to this menu icon or the three lines on the lower right corner. Then you will find the recycle bin option, head over there. Now select a specific picture or you can select them one by one. Let's say I'm gonna select this one. So from here, you have to tap on restore in here on the bottom left. And once you tap on restore, it will be restored to your main gallery. So yeah, this is how easily you can recover your deleted photos on Samsung phones without apps. Hope this video will help you out and make sure to comment and like our video and subscribe to our channel. Hope to see you in the next one.